If you are looking for some soups that would be great for camping, maybe in an emergency when the power goes out, or just a quick, easy, convenient meal, we have a recommendation for you. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we are doing a review of the ReadyWise Simple Kitchen Dehydrated Soups. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So in this pack, you get each of these soups. There's a chili mix, a creamy potato, a cheddar potato, and a chicken noodle. And what's really nice is right up here on the top, it tells you exactly what you need to add. So this one, chicken and water, and I guess if you didn't want the chicken in it, you don't have to add it. This one's just add water, water, and tomato paste. I am actually going to make one of these to show you guys just how easy they are to make. We're going to go with the cheddar potatoes. So as I was saying, these can be really great. If your power goes out, all you need to do is boil some water, build a little fire, boil some water. You can take them camping with you. They're lightweight, so if you're hiking and backpacking, you can throw them in a backpack. They make quite a bit. 8 servings in this bag, so maybe you're camping with a whole bunch of friends. But we're going to use it for lunch today because it's quick and easy. And look, I don't have to cut up potatoes. Let's get to making. So the simple instructions are on the back of each bag. For the cheddar potato, we're going to bring 8 cups of water to a boil. That's what I'm doing right now. So while this is boiling, I've poured the contents into a bowl so you can kind of see what's in here. So you can see it's a lot of powder. That's mostly like the cheese and milk powders. But then look, there's also freeze-dried potatoes and all kinds, you can hear it in there. All kinds of things in here. So as soon as this comes to a boil, I'm going to slowly whisk it together. You want to make sure that all the powder gets absorbed by the water. And then, just like it says, we're going to go ahead, lower this to a simmer and simmer it for 15 minutes. Ooh, after 15 minutes, it's going to look like this. Look, you can still see the potatoes and stuff in it. It's nice and it's a thick, creamy soup. Now we got to give it a try. Ooh. We topped it with some fresh chives and some bacon. It smells really good.
You're right, too hot.
It's way too hot to eat right now. You will burn your face off.
Okay.
Well, considering half your bowl's gone.
I was hungry.
Half my bowl's gone too.
Mm-hmm.
I would say that's pretty good.
Mm-hmm.
And it definitely thickened up, especially even as it cooled.
Mm-hmm.
Good stuff.
Mm-hmm.
Pretty easy lunch. I would have to say we approve of this.